huge crack of lightning straight down there.
Peepy dig.
Jinx, stay. Right, Jinx, back inside. Jinx. Jinx. Mom.
Nice and cloud formation.
Yeah.
Hey, Lee, what's in the mailbox? Lee, mailbox.
What?
Hunter, come here. Jinx, here. Come.
Do you think it's a good idea to bring my iPad out?
Yeah. It's going. So look at this blue sky's just here.
Yeah.
Look at the sunshine.
Sunshine.
It's literally all across there. It's missed us. It's past us. Hey, inside you.
Well, it got us a little bit.
Inside.
Jinx, come.
In. I'd like to see what's above us, Hunter.
There's supposed to be something that's 7 to 9.
Oh, shoot lightning over here.
I didn't see that.
And now it's shining sun. It's crazy. Sounds like it's starting up here. Door behind you. Jinx is fine.
Oh,
It stopped going that way and it started coming back this way.
no way.
What, did you get that?
No, I didn't get that with my eyes, but I probably did it with my camera.
I think you did get it actually. Right in the... Come over here a little bit.
Oh, it does look like it.
Yeah. It's really loud and grumbly. Wait, inside.
That was over 50.
They were not doing 50, they were doing probably faster.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Probably over 50.
Yeah.
Oh, saw that. Wasn't sheet.
Oh, I missed it. She's good.
Oh, sheet.
More?
Yep.
I'm so glad Jinx isn't afraid of thunder.
Hmm. Oh, saw that.
It's really having its day, isn't it?
Hmm.